Hey guys, I'm showing you this Hotraffy mid-century modern TV stand for 55 to 75 inches TV. Large Boho entertainment center with the Rattan door cabinets. So this is, I'm just doing the unboxing first. The screw. So all the parts are marked, so this will be very handful or helpful in assembly. So this is the total, height of 25 inches and around good for a 75 inches TV. So just for the unboxing, you can see the quality of the wood. That looks very nice. For the back with this cable holes, and once this on the unboxing, you can see all the parts. So these are all the parts. These are all the screws. Everything is all marked on the screws, so we can start the assembly of this product. So all these screws, like this is the N1, and then all others are marked so that it is very easy for us to assemble this product. So I will just take the screws and one by one I will do all these steps as mentioned into this manual. So all the parts are included, so it's very easy for you. You have to match the numbers as based on the manual, and then just keep on assembly one by one. So I will try to fast forward a little bit. So these are the back one with the cable holes. So you can just put in the cable directly from here. So this is more like the organized thing. So I put the top and the back, and I will put everything the legs. And this is almost done. I have to put the doors in. So I have to put the doors and the drawers. These are the soft closing doors and the metal knob. The stickers for the screws looks good, and the corners things to hold it well. So this is the final product. So have the drawers, soft closing door, metal, uh, you know, the knobs. So this is great for the TV. So I will just put a TV on it and show you. You can put all this music thing or gaming system like a Nintendo or whatever, and then you can just put in your TV. You can include everything, and then it looks really nice, very sturdy, and very nice built one.